how to pay in full on PayPal. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can pay in 4 installments on PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to pay in 4 installments on PayPal, first you have to read these instructions. Here they have told us how pay in 4 works, and if you just scroll down a bit, you will see the instructions and related to pay in 4 on PayPal. So if you are paying in 4 installments, then the purchase amount should be between 30 to 1500 euros. And the number of payments will be 4 with 1 down and 3 simple payments. The time between these payments will be bi-weekly. Now, in order to pay in 4 installments on PayPal, what you have to do is at the checkout select PayPal, then select Pay Later option. Then choose the installment plan that fits you. At last, make remaining payments. So that's how you can pay in 4 on PayPal. That's all for this video.